If you're getting the trusted connections chat issue on Roblox and your messages won't send or voice/chat features won't work, this is what actually fixes it in 2026. Let's get it working. And quick heads up, if this helps, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss fixes like this. First, understand what this error means. Trusted connections usually appears when Roblox can't properly verify your network or account session. It's not a chat ban, it's a connection or security flag. Start with the easiest fix. Log out of Roblox completely, close the app or browser, then log back in. This refreshes your account session and clears most trusted connection errors instantly. Next, check your network. Turn off VPNs, proxies, or DNS changers. Roblox blocks certain routed connections and that triggers the trusted connections message. If you're on Wi-Fi, restart your router or switch to mobile data temporarily to test. Now, check date and time settings on your device. If your system clock is incorrect, Roblox security can fail verification and block chat features. Set your date/time to automatic and restart. If you're on PC, clear your browser cache. If using web Roblox, or reinstall the Roblox app completely. Corrupted local files can interfere with trusted session validation. Also, double check your privacy settings. Go to settings arrow privacy and make sure chat permissions aren't restricted to no one. If they are, chat won't work, even if the connection is fine. Pro tip, if this only happens in one specific game, it's often that game's server configuration. Leave and join a different server to confirm. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment with your device and what the exact error says, and I'll help you fix it.